Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can potentially earn money on Instagram. We'll explore the various monetization features, what you need to qualify, and the important limitations to keep in mind. First, let's discuss the eligibility requirements. To start monetizing your Instagram, there are a few key things you need to know. You must comply with Instagram's community guidelines. This means creating a safe and respectful environment for your audience. Any violations can disqualify you from monetization, so always make sure to stay within the rules. Next, your content must be original. Instagram prioritizes unique creations. Reposting content without significant alterations or using copyrighted material can lead to issues. Make sure your content is truly your own. Some monetization features, like bonuses or subscriptions, may require a minimum follower count and a high level of engagement. This ensures that you have an established audience before you can earn. For example, some features may require 10,000 followers or a certain amount of real plays. Always check Instagram's Help Center for the most current numbers. Now, let's talk about the limitations. While Instagram offers great opportunities, it's essential to understand the challenges. Instagram has millions of users, which means high competition. Standing out and attracting partnerships or a large subscriber base can be tough. It requires consistent effort and a unique approach. Next, relying solely on Instagram for income can be risky. Algorithm changes or policy updates can significantly affect your reach and engagement. Instagram controls the platform, so you must be prepared for potential changes. Maintaining a consistent income stream requires continuous effort. You need to produce engaging content, grow your audience, and adapt to trends. It's not a set it and forget it endeavor. It takes time and dedication. Let's briefly touch on some of the monetization features available. These include badges in live, where viewers can support you during live streams. Reels play bonuses, which reward you for high-performing reels. Subscriptions, allowing fans to access exclusive content. And brand partnerships, where you collaborate with brands for sponsored posts. To learn more about specific requirements and features, visit Instagram's Help Center and Creator Center. And don't forget to follow for more tips and insights on social media. Now let's walk through how to set up your account for revenue-generating opportunities. First, make sure you have the right account type for monetization, which is the professional account. Now, go to your profile. Tap on the menu icon at the top of your profile, scroll down and find Account Type and Tools. Click it, and then click Switch to Professional Account. Follow the prompts to create the professional account. If you want a detailed step-by-step guide on setting up your professional profile, we go over that in the lesson Introduction to Creating Content on Instagram. Once you've set up your professional profile, you're one step closer towards monetizing your Instagram. Alright, let's talk about sponsored content. The first step is identifying brands that align with your content and audience. Think about what your followers are interested in. Start by researching brands in your niche. Look at their products, their values, and their target audience. Do they fit with your own brand? Make a list of brands that you feel would be a good fit. This will help you focus your outreach. Now that you've identified potential partners, it's time to reach out. You can create a proposal outlining how you can collaborate. In your proposal, be clear about your audience, your engagement, and the types of content you can create. Be professional and highlight the value you bring. If a brand reaches out to you, be sure to respond promptly and clearly communicate your rates and expectations. Once you have a partnership in place, it's crucial to use Instagram's branded content tools. This ensures transparency and compliance. To set up these tools, go to your professional dashboard under your bio. Click on Branded Content. Click Set up Branded Content Tools. Click Enable. You are now eligible to share branded content. To be able to add the brand to the content, click Request Approval from Brand Partners. Search the name of the brand and click Request. Once they approve you, you'll be able to add them as a partner when you create your post. Now let's take a look at how to add the partner to your post. Go to the final page of your post before you share. Scroll down and click More Options. Click Partnership Label and Ads. Click Add Paid Partnership Label. The brand partners you have requested will show up. Click Add next to the partner's name. If you are still waiting for their approval, you can go ahead and still share your post, and the partnership label will show up when the partner approves. Remember, transparency is key. You must clearly indicate that the content is sponsored. Use phrases like #ad, #sponsored, or partnered with brand name in your caption. By following these steps, you can create effective and compliant sponsored content on Instagram. Alright, let's dive into exploring those bonus opportunities and other monetization features. Click on your professional dashboard under your bio. This dashboard is where Instagram will notify you about any available bonuses or monetization options available to you. If there are any active bonuses, you'll see a bonuses section, where you can find details on how to enroll. If the option isn't available to you yet, follow ad creators and participate in their occasional challenges to boost your visibility and potentially unlock bonus opportunities. And there you have it. By setting up these monetization opportunities, you're on your way to turning your Instagram presence into a revenue-generating platform. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Keep creating engaging content, and the opportunities will follow. Happy monetizing!